quick. Come out. That. This. This is no spacers. Almost there. Gotta take off the fuel lines. Gotta change the bracket for the and plug up some of these holes. Shave the engine bay a little bit. So here's the bracket for the Hydro Boost and the steering from the new edge. I'm gonna stick it onto there. So to put the Hydro Boost plate for the Hydro Boost on the steering column, you have to trim right here a little bit, right there, because it needs to go to the left. So we're looking at it to the left a little bit. Brand used. It's almost there. Now, this is just a mock-up. So, we gotta mock that. We gotta maybe make this bigger. Match. Finally getting this mounted. Gonna finish the firewall. Finish the firewall. Patch these little holes. Here we are, boys. Almost there. I wanted to say that if you're planning on doing this, be prepared. Be prepared to either half-ass it and let it go by, let some parts go by without prepping them that great, you know, or put in the time and effort that it takes to prep as many little bits and pieces, parts of the car that you can. It would be a lot easier if it was like on a rotisserie or something, but I can't. Gotta work with what I got right now. So we're up on jack stands and we're improvising. And the hardest part is kind of just getting into all the little details that you like, sanding in here and right there and inside the strut tower and whatnot. And doing body work in the backside, you know, stuff like that. What my main concern is getting all the pieces that are really visible. You know, I'm not gonna go into like extreme detail. This is bent up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut it and put a piece of bar going across, or if I'm gonna leave it like that. Still haven't decided on that. But as far as painting the undercarriage, it's a lot of work, and I mean, it depends how much detail, once again, but I'm gonna do as much detailing as I can, as much as I feel comfortable with, and then we'll move forward, keep moving forward, get a little more progress, and yeah, we'll update as we go. budget. Gotta get a power cable to run the battery to the back.